Namaste. Do you know what? Are you tired of the affirmations hitting your account? Are you tired of that? You're practicing affirmations, but it's not working. Are you again tired of that also? In this short video, I'm going to keep this video short. I'm going to explain to you one reason which is making you fail in your affirmations. The topic is that why do affirmations fail, correct? So in this video, I'm going to make sure that it helps you figure out that mistake and stop doing that mistake so that you can make and unleash the power of affirmations inside your life. Are you ready to do this? Just type ready to learn. Just type ready to learn. Yes, in the comment box. I'm going to keep this video short and crisp. Okay, watch this video completely till the end. Watch this video completely till the end to understand why do affirmations fail. Okay, so let me go into it right now. Type ready to learn. Just type RTL in the comment box. Just type RTL in the comment box. Okay, so let's understand this. What are affirmations? Basically, affirmations are a concise choice of positive words, correct? It's a concise choice of positive words. Then it is a concise choice of positive words plus visualization plus feeling. That is the power. There is the golden key, the feeling. The problem is if you just practice saying an affirmation, just close your eyes, and if you say an affirmation, it is not very effective. It is not at all very effective. But when you start feeling it, then, ladies and gentlemen, you get the true power of an affirmation. And how do you feel it? You would have to have done that. Let me give you an example. Let me give you an example so that it goes deep into your mind. You see, I completed a Himalayan trek 1 year back. Okay. So now if I want to visualize myself on top of a mountain, I can do that easily because I have done that. I can close my eyes like this, like I'm closing it right now, and just visualize and feel it. Feel that moment completely. I can feel that. I can feel the goosebumps. I can feel the cold air. I can feel it. You see, let me give you another example. You're closing your eyes right now. Right now, you're closing your eyes and you say, I love oranges. And your mind makes a picture of an orange. It makes a picture of an orange. Okay. But then what happens? Then you give it another affirmation saying, I am becoming healthy. But now your mind is going and trying to find a picture. It's going to trying to find a picture inside your mind in your life where what are the actions you have been doing to make yourself healthy. It's going and trying to find that, but all it's finding is excuses. All it's finding is just baseless motivation and no action. So your mind does not have a picture, clear cut picture of you becoming healthy. Are you getting the point right now? Just tell me in the comment box if it is gone deep into your head. Just type GD. Just type GD, gone deep. Just type GD if this point has gone deep into you. This is the one point which makes affirmations fail. This is the one point which makes affirmations fail. Just by saying a positive word or just by saying something, saying you're wealthy or you're healthy, it will not work. It will not at all work. It will only work when you feel it. Let me give you one more example to make you understand even more clearly. So if you visualize yourself having a particular amount of money, like I have this much money in your bank account, if you visualize that and you feel how you're feeling it, then you see affirmations power. Similar way in your health, I want you to visualize yourself cycling or running. Just close your eyes and visualize that and feel that moment. And then you see the power of just you say, I am becoming healthy. Let's say Pratik says, I am becoming healthy. And then its mind is going and thinking, okay, he's cycling now. Then, ladies and gentlemen, that affirmations become very powerful. This is what I wanted to share with you. This is the one mistake many people do in the affirmations. And I want you to type in the comment box crystal clear. Just type CC, crystal clear in the comment box, so that I know that you have understood this concept of feeling the affirmations, not just uttering a concise choice of positive words. So let me summarize it for you and end this. Understand, affirmations is concise choice of positive words plus feeling and visualization. You need to know what are the positive words, keep it in present tense, keep it in present tense your affirmations, plus you need to visualize and feel that emotion, feel that affirmation. Then only it works, or else it will fail, or else it's just words. It does not have any power. You need to feel it. Just type will feel in the comment box. Just type will feel in the comment box. Okay, just type it in the comments, will feel. And I hope this short video helped you understand what the mistake you're making in your affirmations, and you will start avoiding that mistake. If you loved this video, share it on your wall, pay the content forward, pay the good content forward, so that if any of your friends are doing affirmations, let them do it correctly, let them do it correctly. Share this video, like it, comment below your top learning, comment saying that you will implement this or crystal clear. Just comment it out there. Okay, and I hope this was really helpful for you. And if you want to be part of my VIP Facebook group, you can go to this link. I put in the comments, bit.ly/selfhealersvip. It's a free Facebook VIP group where I do polls, I do regular updates there, so that you don't miss out any updates of the Self Healers Hub. You can join this group. You can join this bit.ly/Self Healers Hub. It's in the comment. You can join it. So I hope this particular video, short video on affirmations, why do affirmations fail, helped you. All right. This is Sachin from Self Healers Hub signing off. Until we meet again in the next video, be healthy, be happy, be unique. Namaste. This is Sachin on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live healthier, happier, and more energetic life through the ancient Indian science of Ayurveda. Signing off. Bye bye. Take care. Happy night. See you.